Alright guys, after a lot of fiddling, I've figured out how the wiring goes. And one of the good thing about this robot is that this is the brain here. And if you set this up incorrectly, it will tell you that you've put the wires in the wrong places. So let's start with the easiest part, which is this big one, because it looks completely different from the others. This one right here is the power supply. So it goes from the battery into here, into the brain. Then number 1 corresponds to this wire here, and that goes to the this motor here, this wheel motor, which would be the left motor. Then another important thing is that when you go back there, there's one white wire here that goes from this motor, and that one will go into the black of that first motor that we talked about. So from this side here, it goes white into the black of this one here, and the white from this one goes into number 1 here. Then for number 2, you need to follow this cable all the way over to where the claw is. Okay, that's where you want that to be connected. And then as we move over here, you'll see that this cable here, this one goes all the way up into here. Okay, this is the part of the head that makes the head go left and right. Okay, then let's go back to the main part over here once more. So what is number 3? Because we've gone through 1 and 2 already. So number 3 goes all the way up here into the visor here. That's the cable for the eyes and stuff like that, and it'll turn on some LEDs, and it's pretty cute. Okay, then the very last one is the easiest one. Number 4 connects up to this thing right here. Okay, so number 4 goes into this part here. This is a motion sensor, I would believe, for Macs. And unfortunately, there's a bunch of black bits that are going to be just hanging out like this, that have nowhere to go. However, what really matters is that Max doesn't seem to care about those. So when you turn them on, and I'll show you in a second, when you turn them on, he won't give you any problems. And to start them up, you say, hello. There we go. He seems to not give us any errors, but he did before when things were hooked up differently. So I'm guessing this is how it goes, and it's going to start asking you a bunch of funny questions, and that's how you go on with Max. But anyway, hope this video is super helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.